Hello folks, Samsung usually launches new Galaxy Fold and Flip devices just in time for the fall season. The foldable phones are currently in their 4th generation and have comfortably replaced the once reigning Galaxy Note series. Needless to say, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 will be the next in line for the title of this year's most premium Samsung phone, following the top-of-the-line Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 is coming in late July, according to latest reports, and there's already a good amount of information about it, so we decided to organize it here. It's gonna be a book-style foldable with two 120Hz capable displays, a triple camera on the back, the best possible chipset inside, and IPX8 waterproofing. What else do we know? Let's start off with the design. Samsung's booklet-style phones have always had a gap between the two halves when folded. It was one of the biggest complaints when it comes to the Galaxy Fold. A recent report claimed that won't be the case with the Galaxy Fold 5. The company is said to be using a teardrop-style hinge, similar to what we've seen on the Oppo Find N2 and the Motorola Razr 2022. This will ensure the two sides of the display close flat on top of each other when the device is folded. The new gapless design is more or less confirmed at this point, and the new hinge addresses the other complaint with the Galaxy Fold series and most of its competitors: the crease in the middle of the display. The new hinge mechanism will see the folding display form a droplet shape inside the hinge when folded, eliminating the need for a crease. We've already seen similar approaches with the Moto Razr and Oppo Find N series. In fact, Korean publication Naver also claims it saw a prototype of the Galaxy Fold 5 hinge at CES 2023. This image shows the alleged design in comparison to the Galaxy Fold 4, and surely the newer hinge makes the device a lot more compact. Finally, Tipster OnLeaks published a handful of leaked renders, giving us our first look at the Fold 5. The leaker suggests Samsung has reduced the thickness to 13.4mm when folded. It's also expected to retain the same 6.2-inch outer display and a 7.6-inch inner screen. However, Samsung could decrease the size of the bezels. Reliable tipster Yogesh Brar claimed that the Galaxy Fold 5 would indeed use a Snapdragon 4 Galaxy chipset, presumably being the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 seen in the Galaxy S23 range. Perhaps the most important rumor is the camera specs of the phone. Samsung will most likely stick with a 50-megapixel ISOCELL Gen 3 sensor from the Galaxy Fold 4 as the main unit for the Galaxy Fold 5. That leaves room for speculation whether Samsung will make improvements on the two selfie cameras, the ultra-wide and the 3x zoom. Now, Korean outlet ET News reported that Samsung decided against bringing an S Pen slot to the Fold 5. The company apparently chose to skip the slot as it would have made the foldable thicker and would have had ramifications for internal space. ET News is quite a reputable publication, so you definitely shouldn't hold your breath for an S Pen slot then. Meantime, it's very much certain that the Galaxy Fold 5's internal screen will support S Pen input. Now, prices. Both the Galaxy Fold 3 and the Galaxy Fold 4 were priced at $1,800 when they launched. We don't expect Samsung to drop the price lower for the Galaxy Fold 5, and we also don't expect Samsung to price the new foldable higher than its predecessors, especially given the current state of the global economy. It would be unwise for Samsung to increase smartphone prices and make its flagship foldable even more unreachable than it already is for most folks. Guys, anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Good luck to all.